Welcome back to another video. This is Z from Sain Official. So before starting the video, I would like to request you again to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications and upcoming videos. Don't forget to watch the videos you like and share them with your friends so that they can get more benefit of it. So today I am going to give you a solution regarding the people who like to use the Google Play Store on their computer. So what you have to do is you have to go to your browser and type there bignox.com, and you have to download the Nox player. And if you want to download it, I'm going to attach the download link in the description for you. So what you have to do is just to download the software and browse for more features. And as you're seeing that I'm already downloading it. It's a big one, almost 440 megabytes. So let it download first and then we will tell you how to install and use it. So downloading is finished, so let's start the setup. Let's click install and it will take few minutes to get installed on the PC. And after that we will see how is the user interface of this Nox Player app that is being used for the Google Play Store on PC. Starting the setup. So after setup is finished, it is asking that if you have any backup data, you can import that. Just click import and let's see what it is going to show you up. So that's okay. There is some just the emulator from where if you have any file you can put there, and as we don't have any backup data, so we are not going to reload it. We are just going to start it and see how does it works. It seems like it is going to create a whole Android user interface or a whole Android operating system inside a Windows operating system. Just like mostly people also use the BlueStacks software, and in future we are going to make a video on BlueStacks too. Right, it is started now and let's see how it is going to show up. Find any games you want to play in searching. Done. This is the app center from where we can search the apps. We can close the apps, and from here we can click here to customize the keyboard configuration. Done. Okay, let's go to the home button and see what it is going to show us. It is still, I think, loading, or it is just hanging. There's nothing on home button. I click the Play Store. Okay, it has started working. So from here we can search any app we like. So it is taking me to the Big Nox website. Just go up with the warnings and the main setup. It mostly takes some time for working, and from here we can go to the Play Store, and right here it is here. We can do anything we like I am going to download something for you so that at least you can see how it is going to work. So let's download something normal, like there's the games. Let's go to the category, and from here we go to the application, art and design, and from here we can search any app we like. Like we can also search the Canva app. Mostly I use Canva app for downloading the YouTube thumbnail and customizing that one. From here it is going to the Google search engine. Let's go back to the Play Store, and from here let's download any any app we like. The Canva is here. It will open the Play Store again. Sign in. Just sign up with your account. And click next. It is going to verify everything. The sign in is finished and now we are going to install it. Right, it will take some time based on your internet connection. And downloading process is completed, and now I'm going to open this app and it will take you to the Canva Android app that you mostly use on your cell phones, and it's working really smooth and fast. Just you continue with the Google and it will do some kind of the verifications of the account that I'm using on this app, and after that it will take few seconds to proceed this. And here we go with the Canva software used for editing on cell phones, and I can make any wallpaper, my story, Instagram post, social media designs. In this way you can use or download any software you like on your computer. Like most of the people want to play some games that are not available on computer, so they can use this app for playing here on Android. You can also use the Snapchat that is not available on the computer, so you can also download here. So this was all from today's video. We hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.